Hey everybody, I wanted to post a video, and this is something you're probably looking for, and maybe you found it, I don't know. But what I'm going to do within this video is explain how to create a mask using just a common paper towel. So I've got a popular paper towel brand right here, and I've got little creases here. So what I'm going to do, you just kind of crease, just kind of go back and forth. You know, there's no real science to it. Doesn't have to be precise. Just gonna keep going. Okay, so now I've got that. That was two sheets for this particular brand. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring some twine in here and sit my cutting device on top of the twine, on top of the paper towel. And you could use a shoelace, you could use a variety of different things. It doesn't really matter. I'm just going to cut this. So I got a cut piece there. And I'm going to tie it around one end of this paper towel. You can see I've got it tied there, and I've got the excess there. So, if you grab it, it'll slide. I mean, it's just a paper towel. But I'm not going to grab it. I'm just going to make it very tight, like that. And if you want to be really cool, you can double knot it. So I got that there. So I got that on that side. Now I want to do the same thing with the other side. So I'm going to grab my twine. Could be a shoelace, could be paracord, whatever it may be. And I'm going to cut with my cutting device. And then I'm going to tie on the end. Not on the end, but towards the end. Just get enough where you can tie it. So what you can do now is grab your mask, and you can gently pull it just enough to make it kind of big. And you can put it over your nose and your mouth and secure behind your ears. Hey y'all, Captain IRIX Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/IRIX Guy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.